One of the things that I love about, well, Southeast Asia, but Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, they're all kind of similar compared to the Western world, in that what we in, for example, Australia would call noise pollution, it's quite acceptable here. The traffic is unique. That's one way of saying it. It is extremely unique for traffic. Like, the things that you see are just trying to explain to other people is very, very difficult. It has to be seen to be believed. It works. There's nothing wrong with it. It is just a totally different style of transportation system compared to what we of the Western world are accustomed to. It's just wonderful. It works, and that is the main thing. It works. And of course, you've got the kids down here that will make games about almost anything, and then they spot you, and then everything's camera. And every camera opportunity they use for waving. so and yeah, it's just, it is to me a wonderful place. But the same could be said for Thailand, the same can be said for Vietnam. Everything is different, and yet it works. Just because we of the Western world have our way of doing things that work for us doesn't mean that this is wrong. It's just different because it works for them. Yeah, it's cool. So some would call it noise pollution. I don't mind it one little bit. I guess it all depends on your own personal definitions of noise. Goodo, discuss. Please feel welcome to leave comments down below, and check out the links, the affiliate links down the bottom. That's what keeps us going, and hopefully we'll be able to bring you more of this sort of footage and a bit more information about what's happening around the place. The what if link down the bottom, if you really want to do the right thing and have a fantastic time, jump on what if, because hey, what if? You'll never know unless you go. Have a great week. Talk to you later. Bye.